eagerly began preparing for the festival. They set off to gather nectar from the sweetest flowers, with each bee taking up a special task. Buzz, the fastest bee, flew to the daisy and the rose flowers to gather nectar. Flora, the artistic bee, made beautiful once upon a time in a lush green meadow filled with colorful flowers and a sweet, fragrant scent. There was a hive known as the Cheerful Hive. The hive was home to many happy bees who loved their work and enjoyed singing and dancing while they worked. The hive was led by a kind and gentle queen, Queen Lily. She always tried to keep her bees content and encouraged them to help one another. One bright and pleasant morning, as the sun cast its first golden rays over the meadow and the flowers sparkled with dew, Queen Lily called all the bees for a special announcement. With a warm smile, she opened her wings and said, "Today we shall have a grand honey festival." The bees buzzed with excitement, flapping their wings in delight. They loved the honey festival because it was the day filled with games, music, and, of course, delicious honey. After Queen Lily's announcement, the bees eagerly began preparing for the festival. They set off to gather nectar from the sweetest flowers, with each bee taking up a special task. Buzz, the fastest bee, flew to the daisy and the rose flowers to gather nectar. Flora, the artistic bee, made beautiful banners and colorful signs to decorate the festival grounds. Wiggles, the playful bee, organized games for everyone, such as buzzing tag and honey relay. As the sun reached its highest point in the sky, the festival began. Bees from nearby fields and gardens came to join the celebrations. Laughter filled the air as the bees played games, sang songs, and danced together. Every bee shared stories of their adventures, filling the meadow with the sound of joy and the sweet scent of honey. Just when the festival was at its peak, a little butterfly named Mia fluttered by. She looked tired and sad, with her wings dropping. The cheerful bees noticed her and immediately paused their celebration to check on her. "What's wrong, Mia? Why do you look so sad?" asked Queen Lily kindly. The butterfly sighed and replied, "I've lost my way home and have been flying for so long that I'm too tired to continue." Queen Lily and the bees exchanged looks and immediately decided to help. "Don't worry, Mia. We'll get you home," Buzz said excitingly. The bees lined up, taking turns to carry Mia on their backs. One by one, each bee flew with a little way with her until they had safely shown her the way home. On the way, Mia felt happy and grateful that the bees were so caring. When they finally reached her home, she smiled warmly and said, "Thank you, dear bees. You saved me, and I will always be grateful." To show her appreciation, Mia invited the bees to her garden where beautiful flowers and delicious nectar awaited them. The bees happily accepted her invitation and flew to her garden. There, they found vibrant flowers filled with the sweetest nectar, and they had a wonderful time sharing this joyful moment with Mia. From that day on, the cheerful hive and its bees vowed to spread happiness and share their smiles with everyone they met. And so, the hive continued to thrive, with each day bringing new joys and cheer. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the cheerful hive. If you liked this story, be sure to subscribe and watch more exciting tales filled with fun, friendship, and adventure. Stay tuned for more magical stories.